Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car, or in this case, Story Behind the Truck. And we're with Jack, and this is his 1964 Chevy C20. And it's got an amazing story. Jack and I have been talking for a while, and the crowd, we just had to beat them off with a stick because they've been gathering around this. And Jack, how long have you had the truck?
A year in June.
Okay. And I'm just gonna shut up and let you talk because there's so much to talk about this truck.
Well, I was talking to a friend who knew somebody that had passed away and said, hey, we're looking for an older truck. And he goes, I think I know of one. And the gentleman that bought it new died in January. We ended up buying it in June. And it had 66,400 miles on it when I bought it. Hadn't run in 35 years.
Wow.
And so I took it home. It took me from June to August to get to the point where I was comfortable turning the key.
Yeah. Holy cow.
Wake it up slow.
Yeah.
Went through the brakes and everything because you only get one chance.
Yes.
So in August, as soon as I hit the key, she fired up. She doesn't burn any oil. She doesn't leak.
Yeah.
It's solid.
And I'm gonna walk around. So
Okay.
It's all original.
Yes, I mean I put exhaust on it and
Okay.
plugs and wires and stuff.
Yeah.
But the paint, the glass, the interior, all the rubber seals are all original.
The paint is just amazing. And we were talking, and these are split rim.
3-piece split rims.
Yeah. Which I shot a 64 K, I can't remember if it was K10 or K20, and he had split rims. I know those things are scary to work with.
Yeah, all I do is make sure it has air in it.
Yeah, yes. And you're very frugal. I love the fact you were saying that you got all four the same way so you can rotate them,
Yes.
which I think is awesome. And we'll get to the engine in a minute. And it's a long bed, and you said the gentleman had a camper shell?
A cab over camper.
Okay.
And he designed and built and installed 3 of his own gas tanks, one underneath each cheek, one in that corner of the bed, and he had valving right here. There's 2 valves.
Oh, yeah.
And up here's his cheat sheet on what tank he's running off of. Because to take the family camping and pull a camper and a boat, he needed a lot of fuel. So
Man, oh, man.
I have taken those out.
Well, look at the wear here on the door.
Yes. And by the way, the first time they went to take this on vacation, his widow told me that she rolled the window down and she put her elbow out.
Yeah.
And he said, don't do that. And she said, well, I'm hot. He said, you can roll the window down. Don't put your elbow up there. You'll screw up the paint.
She remembered that story.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
She told me that personally.
Yes. So 3 tanks or 4 tanks?
3 tanks.
Okay.
And then over here on this side of the bed, he had taken apart an old refrigerator. He had the compressor unit back here. He ran the refrigerant lines over here. He had designed and built a refrigerator box up here. So in the camper,
Yes.
there was a wooden door. You could open it up, get something out of the refrigerator, or reach in and get ice. And the kids said it would freeze ice going down the road.
Wow.
So, yeah, he had a separate battery tray. You could tell by the switching, he switched between the different batteries that he had up underneath there to run everything back here.
Yes.
He was a true engineer.
You said he was an engineer, and over in Granite City.
Granite City Steel.
Granite City Steel.
Yeah.
Which is still in operation.
Yes.
And I know it used to be huge. I'm assuming it's still
smaller.
somewhat.
It's a little smaller now.
Yeah, yeah. And do you know the capacity on the fuel tanks total?
I do, but I don't have it with me.
Yeah.
I ran the numbers, and if you stack the camper, the people, the boat, all the fuel he was carrying, he was overweight.
But he was an engineer and he knew the tolerances.
Yeah,
I guess.
he had, so up underneath the hood when we get up underneath there,
Yeah.
he had also built 2 storage boxes up underneath the hood.
Okay.
He had extra parts, he had extra bearings, he had
Wow.
radiator hoses, he had fuses, all in these, and I still have all that. But
Yeah, yeah. Wow.
he was armed and ready.
And I can see your spare is the
Same
the
thing.
same tread, yeah. And I've got nice clothes on because it's a work day, so I can't crawl around, but you were saying how nice it is. So tell me about when you first looked at the vehicle. You had a friend with you.
And the deal he and I made is he was going to get down and crawl underneath it and make sure that everything underneath there looked okay. And I was going to look at the top and talk to the owners. And after about 20 minutes, I excused myself so that he and I could talk. And I said, I think I'd be a fool for passing this up. He said, if you pass it up, I'm buying it.
Yeah.
It's as far as I can tell, all of the sheet metal is original. The undercoating's still there. It's all still as straight underneath it is outside, so it hasn't been dented and patched.
Yes.
Because you could tell that by looking inside and outside.
And what are these, reflectors?
So in 1964, it did not have backup lights.
Okay.
So I want backup lights.
Yeah.
All right. So he had these 4 holes in here for something. I don't know what.
Yeah.
But I found these are LED lights.
Okay.
And I used one of his switches that he had for something else.
Yeah.
So now I can turn on my backup lights so I can see.
And do they cast enough white with just the 4 of them?
It's close.
Yeah. But it's better than nothing.
And luckily they match the same coloring as the license plate.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
the black and yellow.
Yeah, that was a great license. I had a 61 Buick, and that was the same color. And I think the 56 Missouri plate was black and yellow as well. Just amazing truck. And to think it's all original and original paint and glass.
And the first time I got it out of my shop and went somewhere with it, I called the son and said, hey, I'm going to have it over here. If you want to come see it, you know, running after all these years.
Yeah.
He comes walking up with this really old box, and he goes, this goes with the truck. And in there is 4 paper sleeves with a brand new set of hubcaps, new old stock.
Gosh.
He said, that goes with the truck.
Those are worth so much.
They've never been on a vehicle.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I've got those at home.
Wow. Holy moly, this is just incredible, Jack. And I just want to shine on the inside, and then if we could look at the engine, and then I do want to walk around I need to shoot more of the inside from the driver's perspective.
Yeah.
Just to make sure I document as much as I can.
What you're seeing is a 14-hour wax job.
Well, you did a great job. No swirl marks at all.
And you also have to wax the inside of the cab on these.
Well, I told you I'm restoring a 61 and sanding the inside to get it to paint it. You don't realize how many muscles you use over your head. It wore me the hell out.
The radio still works.
Okay, wow. Just everywhere you look, there's something cool to look at, and just the condition, that drip rail. Just incredible. And I don't see a dent or a scratch in it.
There's some minor ones here and
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
But I look at it. I mean, if you stand over here and look, there's a little one right there. But
Oh yeah, I just saw it with the reflection of the light. Yeah.
And I got dead bugs on it right now, but
Yeah. And it has 68,000 miles on it now?
67,900.
Okay.
68.
And I was looking, I saw your wax marks on the
Those
collar.
are original.
Yes. So tell me about the engine, because we were talking about that before we started shooting video.
So in 1964, you could not supposedly order a 327 in a C10 or a C20.
Okay.
I have the original bill of sale, and he special ordered a 327.
Wow.
It's a big truck engine because there's no vacuum advance on the distributor.
Okay.
There's a centrifugal weight that swings around underneath, and at a certain RPM, it shuts off vacuum to the carburetor and it governs it.
Okay.
So it's got a governor on it so your employees don't go out and blow your engine up for you.
Yeah, yeah. Well, you don't want that if you have a trucking company.
Right.
Yeah. And I've never seen a metal upper radiator hose in real life. I've seen pictures.
I thought that was something he came up with.
Yeah.
That's stock. That's original.
Yes.
Just like the fan shroud. I had a 63 Chevy Impala and a 67 Chevy Impala, and they had a piece of culvert pipe for a fan shroud.
Okay.
That's what it looked like.
Yeah.
So I thought this was something he did, but that's stock.
Yes. Yeah. I've seen it in pictures. I've never seen one in real life. And a single bowl for your brakes.
That, when I got it, it was severely pitted on the inside, I wore out a brand new hone, honing it out to use that one.
Okay.
I could have bought a new one, but I wanted to use that one if I could.
Yeah. Well, dedication pays off, that's for sure. And my 61 only has one horn. This has two.
Two.
Did he special order it, do you know, or?
I don't see anything.
Yeah.
But a lot of trucks had two.
Okay. Yeah, I probably got the basement model. And they'd only put one on it. Just amazing.
And by looking at where the undercoating is, he had put dual exhaust on it.
Okay.
But by looking at where the undercoating is and isn't, I could tell it came from the factory with single.
Yes.
And the exhaust was shot. So I went back to single and I took it down the left side, which is how it came out stock, just to try to keep it as original as I can.
And you got the ram horn, exhaust manifolds. Very, very cool. And I had a question in my head that I've been meaning to ask you, and it just escaped me. Every time I'm going to ask you something, you tell me something else that's really, really cool.
Yeah, the oil bath air cleaner.
Yeah.
And I'm using it as that. I don't have an element in there. I'm using just the way it came from the factory.
Yeah. Man, and can I open the driver's door and look at the inside?
Certainly.
And he had the light on it as well, huh?
Yes.
So
yes.
I shot I started this channel 2 years ago, and in Springfield, Illinois. Have you ever gone to the Route 66 festival?
No.
It's September 27th this year, Springfield, Illinois. They close down downtown, have a police escort Friday night, and there'll be several thousand cars there. It's the best car show. If you've got time on that weekend.
That sounds like I'll see if I can, I'll see if I can make it.
Yeah, it is amazing. But there were three brothers, and they had a 58 Cadillac that they had put on air. They had it done at a shop. They lived in Atlanta, or live in Atlanta. Put a Cadillac LS motor in it, put it on air. It has a train horn on it.
Oh.
And they had these lights on it. And I asked them about the light, and they said, well, my dad put that on there so he could, when he was at night, I forgot what his dad did, maybe a doctor, but he would have to make house calls. And he would shine it on the front door so he could get the address
The
right.
address, yeah.
Yeah.
So speaking of the light, you see the windshield is a little messed up in there?
Oh, yeah.
One of the kids told me that his dad left the light on
Holy
a little
cow.
long,
Yeah.
and it started to delaminate the windshield.
Yeah, and you can see it bubbled a bit. And the reflection on the dashboard, too. Oh, that probably really frosted him.
Oh, I'll bet.
As an engineer and...
As picky as he was.
Yeah. And just, I was looking at the patina earlier, and just this, everything is so darn nice. And the bottom of that door is, I can't see it here, but I'm sure I'm shooting it there with the video. Just everything. So this is the light switch for this light here?
No, this is the thumb switch for the light,
Oh, okay.
and I've got it working. This is my backup lights.
Oh, okay, yeah.
He actually, this is his labeling, so
Yeah.
I just hook back up to the same switch
Okay.
for my little backup lights.
And he had one of those, I forgot, my mom had one of those printers you could put in.
Oh yeah.
Advance a letter, and I forgot what the hell they were called.
Me too. And I even have one.
Okay.
But the radio works. Everything works.
Yeah, 67,977 and 6/10. How far do you live from here?
I live in Pacific, so
Okay. Yeah, you might turn over. You might turn over today.
yeah. And like I say, I have his original logbook from the day he bought it. That was one of the first things I did when I went and looked at it. They said, yeah, it's only got 66,000 miles on it. And I went,
Yeah.
And then they showed me the logbook, so I went through there to see when it rolled over, and it never rolled over.
And that steering wheel looks like it does. It has 10 miles on it. Man, oh man. Oh, and it still has the cardboard covering the gas tank.
Oh yeah, you can pull the back of the
you
back
mind?
seat forward.
Man.
That was part of my wake up stuff. I
Yeah.
took the tank out, cleaned it real good, made sure that it was sound, put it back in.
And I've seen where they put the build sheet either there or underneath. So I don't know if you've ever. I know you have the book.
I
yeah,
looked.
You looked.
I wish I had it.
Yeah. And when I'm finished shooting the video, if you would let me take some pictures of your book.
Oh, fine.
The original invoice and that, I'd like to include that in the video as well.
Or give me your email address and I'll send you the digital that was printed off of.
Oh, wonderful.
So you can get a little better quality.
Yeah, absolutely. And is there, I got to ask a couple other questions.
Yeah.
So how has it changed your life? I got to ask that.
Oh, my wife and I both like cars.
Yes.
Okay, we go to car shows and stuff. Now that we have this, I'm going to more car shows, spending less time with her.
Yeah. That's why your marriage isn't better now.
Yeah, and now she wants a car that she can, take along and show.
Yeah.
But I've met a whole lot of nice people.
Yes.
I told her when we go somewhere with this, you have to plan extra time.
Yes.
It took me a half hour to get out of a gas station one day. People want to come over and talk about it, and I like talking about it.
Yeah.
I'm just her keeper until the next person.
Yeah. Well, it took us 15 minutes to start the video because as soon as you said yes, then a crowd of people gathered around and started asking questions, and it draws a crowd.
I got very lucky. It's a special truck.
Yeah.
I've been very blessed to have it around.
Yes. And what is your favorite memory so far with the truck?
Taking first place at the Pacific Car Show in the unrestored division.
Yes, I was at that show. I didn't even see it.
I was there.
Yeah, I don't remember seeing it. Maybe I saw it and just didn't. There was so much eye candy there that day. Yeah.
And by the way, when I went to look at it, these two seat mats were sitting off to the side.
Yeah.
And I said, "Can I have those?" And you want those? I said, "Well, yeah." Those are the same mats they used, and they had a little bit of air movement underneath your.
Yes, my dad always had those, and I hated them as a kid because I thought what's the point? Now I get it.
Now you get it.
Yeah, I'm an old man and I get it now. Just amazing. And what is your wife? She loves going out in it as well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have a favorite Hoffman's frozen custard in Pacific.
Okay.
So we'll have a nice evening. It's like, let's go get a custard. So we go down to Hoffman's, and people come over and talk about it, and then we go home.
Yeah. And it doubles your time out, I'm sure.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah. Beautiful. Well, Jack, thank you so much for sharing your truck and all the stories behind it, and just an amazing, amazing truck.
Thanks for asking.
Yeah.
I love to share it. I mean, I don't want to keep it to myself. I mean, things like this need to be shared with, people.
Yes.
So
and
please like, comment, and subscribe. Great channel.
Thank you.